Well, let's start with the big story of the day. The voting is done and EVMs have been sealed across 4 states and UT. From West Bengal to Tamil Nadu, from Kerala to Assam, the stakes are high. The voters have spoken and now it is the time for the predictions. And the first exit poll prediction came from the Prime Minister himself after offering prayers at Kashi Vishwanath while inaugurating the Ganga Expressway in UP yesterday. Prime Minister said that his party will win all the 5 states. Listen in.
और मुझे विश्वास है इन 5 राज्यों के चुनाव में भी भाजपा ऐतिहासिक जीत की हैट्रिक लगाने जा रही है। पिछले 6-7 दशक में जो नहीं हुआ, जिसकी कल्पना भी मुश्किल थी, वैसे निर्भीक वातावरण में बंगाल में इस बार वोटिंग हो रहा है। लोग भय मुक्त होकर वोट दे रहे हैं।
Well, the most politically charged of all the fights has definitely been the West Bengal. Both phases have seen a bumper turnout. Fighting for a 4th term, Mamata Banerjee said that she's confident of a comeback with a 2/3 of majority in the state. Listen in to what she and her party leaders have said on this.
CRPF cannot torture like this. See, no state police is there.
None of the booths are safe.
None of the booths. All they are captured. Is it their duty? They should secure the border. Instead of secure the border, they are securing one political party.
CRPF, anything on CRPF, ma'am, violence is happening, ma'am.
It's because of CRPF.
INS के जो वॉरशिप है और जो रफाल है वो डिप्लॉय करना बाकी है। आप वो भी कर दो। जो चीज आपको बांग्लादेश और पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ करना चाहिए वो आप बंगाल के लोगों के खिलाफ कर रहे हो और हमें बांग्लादेशी बुलाते हो। मैंने जो बोला है 1 साल पहले कि तृणमूल का वोट परसेंटेज और जितने सीट 21 पे मिला था उससे ज्यादा और बड़ा बहुमत से तृणमूल 4थी बार सरकार बनाने जा रही है।
At the end of the crucial assembly elections there in West Bengal, majority of the exit polls put the opposition Bharatiya Janata Party ahead of the ruling TMC. So let's take a look at the numbers. Magic number, remember, is 148 and that is the majority mark. Let's see how the numbers are stacking up and those are there on your screen. Let me take you through them one by one and which exit poll is giving the edge to the Bharatiya Janata Party and to the TMC. Let's first look at Matrice. That is giving 125 to 140 to TMC and 146 to 161 to the Bharatiya Janata Party. So a clear edge to the BJP there. People's Pulse is giving an edge to TMC 177 to 187. As we told you, the magic number is 148. P-Mark is 118 and 138 and this one is giving an edge to the Bharatiya Janata Party with 150 to 175 above the majority mark. Praja poll again giving an edge to the Bharatiya Janata Party 178 to 208 and in fact it is not giving an edge to the TMC. Poll diary, as you can see, 142 to 171 to the Bharatiya Janata Party, merely 99 and 127 to the TMC. In fact, Janmat poll is giving 195 to 205 to Trinamool Congress, giving an edge to the party there. Only 80 to 90 to the Bharatiya Janata Party and People's Insight 138 to 150 to TMC and 144 to 154. Again, above the majority mark for the Bharatiya Janata Party. And poll of polls is in fact, it goes on to show you how the fight is so close in the West Bengal. 134 to 151 to TMC and 134 to 154 to the Bharatiya Janata Party. So a very close fight that we will be witnessing as far as West Bengal is concerned. And now let's take a look at what the political leaders in West Bengal are saying and they have to say about the exit poll result. Have a look.
Oh, so if they are showing that, then be sure BJP is going to be 50 or less. Because they are trying to keep up the morale of the party by showing them edge. Oh, they could have given them the 2/3 majority. That itself shows that even the exit is not so confident. And let's wait for the 4th of May. because we have been on ground, and in fact all of you have also been on the ground. You should have the pulse of the people, and the pulse of the people is just is for TMC, because be it as it may, there may be flaws or faults, but BJP is something which Bengal will not accept. Our leadership has come out with clear figures like 235 plus seats for Trinamool Congress.
देखिए, मैं ज़्यादा एग्जिट पोलों पर विश्वास नहीं करता, लेकिन फिर भी मैं बोल रहा हूं कि एग्जिट पोलों में बहुत सारे एग्जिट पोलों में दिखाया गया कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनने वाली है। और मैं आपको बताता हूं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी 170 से ज़्यादा सीटों के साथ। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की बहुत ही जोरदार दमदार सरकार बनेगी।
And meanwhile, Mamata Banerjee and her party leaders, they are leaving no stones unturned in gunning for the central forces then in West Bengal, calling them Bharatiya Janata Party agents, also accusing them of booth capturing as well. And in fact, Shiv Sena UBT leader Sanjay Raut has compared the security shield in West Bengal to terrorism. And guess who came in defense of the paramilitary forces? Well, the Congress party. have a look.
कोई भी चुनाव में अगर कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, राजनीतिक दल जो केंद्र में सत्ता में है, वो अगर ताकत लगाती है तो उसमें कोई गलत बात नहीं है, लेकिन इसे मैं ताकत नहीं कहता। ये एक प्रकार का टेररिज्म है जो पश्चिम बंगाल में चल रहा है।
इस बार चुनाव में लोग भारी संख्या में शिरकत कर रहे हैं। वजह यह है कि आम लोगों को लगता है कि इस बार भारी संख्या में सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस, मतलब केंद्रीय बल की जो लोग हैं, ये तैनात है। लोगों को भरोसा जरूर होते हैं।